that first stage is
we're going to see it
RP1, which
over
is
there.
super refined kerosene and liquid
I'm going to point my
oxygen as the
tablet over
oxidizer.
there.
Centaur upper stage, on the other hand, on
The
that
upper
slide,
stage. You
Centaur
see that
3,
fire? Is that fire?
that's powered by liquid hydrogen
Then why is it
and liquid
orange?
oxygen.
That's just lights.
Liquid-
Power.
Fueled up over
liquid
the last few
hydrogen?
hours in this much more expedited
Isn't that
countdown
very
and
cold?
turnaround than we've been used to.
Yeah, but
as of
it
late,
burns very
with
hot.
Atlas 5 and Vulcan for that matter.
Well, yeah, hydrogens and
The
stars.
Star Command has now been issued to the launch
Engine
sequencer
start.
Yes.
as we pass through 1
Engine
minute and
start.
45 seconds.
What's
until
that smoke
launch.
coming out of it?
That's probably oxygen bleed off.
Bleed off.
Yeah, liquid oxygen that turns to
Soon we should be getting
vapor.
confirmation
It gets
that the
vented.
fuel tanks
It's
are
bleeding.
in their stable pressure for liftoff. Of course, those tanks will be pressurized to give them the structural rigidity they need to survive the aerodynamic forces of flight.
It's about to lift off.
1 minute and 20 seconds left to go.
That's in
the countdown.
Florida, so it's going to take some time for us to see it, if we can see it at all.
Light can travel around the Earth 7.5 times per second.
Mm-hmm.
We should be able to see it.
No, it depends on the
5
trajectory,
No
but you get to watch it on the TV.
60 seconds until
Well,
launch.
on the phone.
Venting
way,
has
no
died
way.
down,
It's about to
as
launch.
expected. The range is green for launch. 50 seconds left to go in the countdown. We'll be getting that final status check in 20 seconds time.
It'll be a minute or so until we get to see it here,
Why?
because that's all the way in Florida. It's a long way away, so it has to go from
30 seconds
Florida
until launch.
way up in the sky to get to us.
Status check.
And it's not going to go over us. We might be able to see it over there above the trees.
I remember that one time we saw a shooting star. That was so
Well,
cool.
this is nothing like a shooting star.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff.
And liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket.
Atlas 5.
It's for Amazon.
Fast, reliable internet.
They're launching satellites.
Amazon's launching satellites?
It's going to be a while until you get to see it here, if we get to see it at all.
And blast off. It's a trail of fire. It's like a comet. Wait, no, it's like an asteroid. If the asteroid went up in the sky instead of down towards Earth. Huh. Minute since liftoff.
You are hearing the voice of ULA's flight commentator providing launch vehicle scent data.
Is that it over there?
In about 15
No,
seconds,
that's just
the
a
first
star.
stage engine will throttle down to prepare for separation of the solid rocket boosters.
It'll take a minute to see since it has to go up in the sky. It kind of looks like a comet.
Liftoff waits.
I don't know if we'll be able to see it here.
Mission operating parameters continue to look good.
Okay, I'm going to take this, okay?
Okay.
This is
Because
Atlas
if
Mission
it's-
Control at L plus 1 minute.
Might be able to see it.
I don't know if we'll be able to see it here.
So you told me I'll get the what?
I said it launched.
The Amazon rocket launch. Is that it over there? No, that's just a star.
It's going to be over here somewhere.
So I should point my tablet over here. Aw, the moon is getting in the way. Can you reflect less sunlight over there, moon? Well, yeah, the moon reflects sunlight. Aw.
Southeastern sky, so that would be over there, right?
You just got done saying, oh, you'll be able to see it.
We should be able to.
Now you're saying you can't.
I didn't say we can't, I said we should be able to.
No. That's not what you said that at first. Now you're like, I don't think we're going to be able to see it. being launched anyway?
Satellite for Amazon.
In Amazon. Amazon is now shipping packages in space. Be the first kid to walk on the moon.
First and only, probably.
Still believe the moon landing was fake. I'm not seeing it. Should be seeing it by now. I thought that was it, but no, that's just a star in my eye playing tricks on me. There's a green light in the abandoned house window. Wonder what that green light could be. Oh, nope, that's just an airplane. So,
Right there.
do you not see that up there?
I wasn't looking up there. I was looking over that way.
I need to turn up my exposure. Does it even do anything? It's not doing a thing. I mean, shouldn't the rocket be bright from here?
Maybe. Maybe not.
Hey, A4
I don't know.
walked.
I'm hoping we can see it. Everything I've seen said we should be able to see it from here.
My tablet can't really see an airplane up in the sky, just see like a flickering light on my video.
Hey, can you sit the fuck still?
I can't!
You cannot have a fan in your window tonight.
Why?
Because it's only supposed to be in the 40.
I don't know, I'm not seeing it.
Ooh.
Oh, I wanted to see a rocket in the sky for my very first time.
So did I, but
Wouldn't it be above the horizon already?
oh yeah.
Oh.
But it's out over the ocean.
Didn't you already see a rocket on your way to work?
I mean, Matt. You say one thing and say something completely opposite of what you said.
My eye keeps playing tricks on me and makes stars look like they're moving.
That's the ozone. Not your eyes. They actually do look like they're flickering.
No, like physically moving. That ain't over there.
Here.
Over there.
Oh. Maybe, yeah, right there. Right there.
Too bad my...
No shit.
I don't think I can get it.
It's a rocket! Too bad my camera can't see it. It's so dim.
Yes.
It's literally a rocket. It's very faint, though. My camera can't see it, though, unfortunately.
To this low orbit. Getting reports that we have visual of it from Georgia.
And Pennsylvania. My eye don't deceive me.
6.5 minutes into flight, Centaur is continuing to burn.
Are you getting it?
Also seeing in chat that you're seeing it from Pennsylvania and you're seeing it from North Carolina. Someone's got it visual in Maryland. I promise you that Orion definitely isn't in space right now. I have no idea why ULA isn't showing this guy. I mean, seriously, 7 minutes into flight now.
I wish my camera could catch it.
That's so cool.
Got visual reports of it in North Carolina in chat.
Why does it have two, though?
Wait, what?
Someone in
First two.
And it dropped one back here.
Someone can see it in Tennessee. This is
Yo, that's so cool.
someone's in Massachusetts hasn't seen it yet. Well, stand by. It's still heading your way. Have a good visual in South Carolina.
There's two of them.
Yeah, why are there two?
My camera can't catch it, but there's two of them, I swear.
There is two.
I don't know if my eyes are just deceiving me, but I'm pretty sure I could make out the shape of a rocket. But where did the one go? I swear it just reappeared and disappeared.
Got some visuals in Virginia. Someone's saying visual in Florida. I mean, I'd hope so. That's where it was from. Can concur. There was visual in Florida.
Well, obviously, it's much brighter over there. Probably. No, I'm saying the rocket is probably much brighter over there. Huh, it's going slower, it looks like. I wish my camera could pick it up. Huh, it barely looks like it's moving now. Are they in orbit?
They're not quite out of the. You wouldn't be able to see them if they're up in space. Maybe. Why are there two though?
Yeah, that's my question. Why? Maybe one of the ones detached and is now following? Oh, looks like it's going lower down. But why is it not...
Why do you talk so much?
Why is it not moving that much anymore?
Because it's further away from us, so it's not going to look like it's moving.
Interesting. It's getting fainter. I can barely see it now.
See the one better than the other one.
I barely can see anything now.
Like stars now.
Yeah, just very
Dots in the sky.
very fast moving stars.
Pretty neat stick, though. Not like the trail that I saw, took pictures of, but it works.
My first time seeing a rocket. Ever. And now I
How many
can't...
did they launch?
Just one.
How is it two of them then?
Rockets detach at a
Why?
certain...
Maybe they
Rockets
launched something else with it.
rockets detach them...
So loud.
Rockets detach like parts of them at
It wouldn't have
certain
followed-
heights.
Yeah, but it wouldn't have followed along with it.
Yes, it would have.
No, it wouldn't have if it detached.
Yeah.
Fall back down to Earth. Not follow it.
Oh. Why is there two of them? I don't think they launched two.
Still see it.
I can't.
You can see both of them.
I can't. Where do they go?
One's over this way. Over that way. It's a tiny little speck in the sky. You probably won't be able to see them. The other one's over there.
How come you get to see it, but I can't?
Because you need glasses. One went this way,
Yeah.
and one's over that way. I don't know if you can still see that. Tiny little
I wonder
speck.
if they're dropping satellites already. It's a low Earth orbit.
Dropping bombs. Wow, serious. And then the eyes of shooting.
Yeah, I wonder what that green light is up there in that window.
Yeah.
Probably an outlet.
Yeah. I can't really see the rockets anymore. But that was so cool. My first time seeing a rocket launch.